Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today video is about I'm gonna unboxing my favorite Korean beauty product from Innisfree. So let's check it out. So I'm gonna unboxing one by one what I got from Innisfree. So this is the bag look like. I love the bag. It's so cute. So I got this free gift. Hello. It's two actually. So this is thank you eco bag that I got from Innisfree for free, and it's so cute. I'm gonna open it for you guys. I'm gonna open it for you guys. So it's look like this. This is the orange color. So next is my favorite serum from Innisfree, green tea seed serum. Is this how the oh okay. So this is Innisfree green tea serum. I'm gonna open the inside. Look like this.
1 hour later.
Next is a green tea balancing skin ice. Actually, this is a toner. Ta-da! Next is I got this for free from Innisfree. I got this eyeshadow, two color. This one, yeah, this one is I love this color, and then this one. Alright. This is the purple one. So I got these two. My Glow Sparkle. I have this one, and this last but not least is this my triple essential set from Innisfree also. So I'm gonna show you guys inside the box. This look like a bag. First thing it is Aloe Revital Skin Mist. It is green tea cleansing water, and then seed serum. Last is Jeju Orchid Enriched Cream.
Roski making hits.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah.
Before I ended this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't forget to comment down below what should I do for my next video. Thank you for watching.